Hi everybody, I wanted to share an Amazon crafty haul with you. I got some fun things. I had been slowly ordering some of the wax stamp seals because I wanted to play with them. So the ones that you see are from different places like Craftspire, Ally, a couple are from Amazon, etc. But I also ordered some wax from one of the places in a little, the little pot to cook it in. And for some reason they canceled my order. And I had all my stuff, like all my little wax seals, but I had no wax and no, I had wax, but I didn't have the little pot. And I was like, man, that's messed up. So, of course, me being the impatient person I am, I went to Amazon and ordered it next day shipping or whatever, 1 day shipping. So, I'm going to show you what I got, but it's kind of buried. So first I want to show you one of the things that I got from Amazon is this huge thing of wax in all different colors. So that was pretty awesome. Then I wanted to try the what are these called? Like the wax sticks. So I got them in several colors. I was watching a video of somebody who was, doing the wax stamp seals, and they were saying that they're not a huge fan of these because they give off a little bit of soot. So I guess I'm going to find out because I haven't actually tried it yet. So there's that. Excuse me. I think I'm going to show you my burner at the end because it's kind of a cool kit, and like I said, it's kind of buried. So the other thing that I got was, what is this called? Ball bead metal chain. So I wanted to make some charms with some ball chain, and they had this pack on Amazon. It's massive and it wasn't very much money. I'll try to link it if I can find it, but look at all those. I forgot how much money it was, but it was very inexpensive, and look at how pretty the colors are. I mean, you've got like pink, purples, you've got like a mint green, a light green, cobalt blue, black, white. I mean, and for those of you that don't know, you can just put these on your project. So you can put charms on these and then just wrap them on something on your project. And then I have to look around my camera to close it. But you just close it like you would close a ball chain necklace. And then you've got a cute little charm hanging off, your journal or, what have you, your tag flip, etc. So I thought that was good, and I wanted to share that. The next thing I got these really pretty dies. I love that they were, there's 3 of them because I want to layer them and then put their wings up so that you can make them dimensional. And I also love that they had like this stitching sort of. So I thought those were pretty. Then I have a lot of cabochons, and I wanted to try a different type of bail on them. So these right here, it almost kind of turns your cabochon into a bead. So you glue this on the back. Let's see if my phone will. You glue this on the back, and then you can string your, put your chain or put your pins through it, like your head pins or whatever. So I'll try that out. I also have the other ones too, but I wanted to try those. And excuse me, I had to do a tag flip recently, and I needed some. Let me show you what I had. I really needed 2-inch loose leaf binder rings, but I couldn't find them, and so all I could find was a 3-inch, and I wanted colored ones. Of course, the 3-inch are boring and they're silver, and I hate silver. And also, it would not fit on my project. So I wanted colored ones, and I found this on Amazon. It's like this whole pack of colored ones, but these are only 1 inch. So when I did my tag flip, I had to do like 3 of these on the project and only put like a couple tags on each one and then just kind of link them all together. But they're so pretty. My tag flip was really chunky, so that's why I ended up having to use a lot. But it comes with white, blue, yellow, dark purple, pink, red, lavender, green, and then orange and black. And it came in this little cute little storage thing, so that's nice. And then finally I will show you the wax kit that I got. We'll see if we can fit it. Excuse me. So it comes in this box, and inside it's got a bunch of goodies. Oops, sorry about that. Inside it's got a bunch of goodies. So it comes with a little itty bitty spoon, which I can tell I'm probably gonna have to get a bigger spoon. But that's okay, we'll try it with that. It also came with these pens so that you can highlight the high parts on the wax. So it's got silver and gold. Came with 4 itty bitty little tea lights, which I'm going to use the ones I got from IKEA. I have some vanilla ones from IKEA, which I think will be nice because it'll put scent in the room. I've seen people using their heat guns too, which I don't know if I'm going to go that route, but you never know. I might get more of the little cookers and have a couple of them going at one time, because I don't know, I'm impatient, you guys. I know I can buy things like way less expensive on like from China and stuff, but I just don't want to. Okay, so here's what the little, I call it a cooker, but here's what it looks like. So your little tea light goes here, and then your little spoon goes here, and then your wax melts, and then you can pour it and put your stamp. So that's what that looks like. The bottom's wood. And the spoon actually fits really good. I've seen some people say that their spoons don't fit good on their little cookers. And then it also came with beads. Or is it called beads? Wax. Wow, it came with wax. I don't know what the right word for these little things are. But it came in this nice little container, which I thought was so nice. And I love the colors. You've got metallic green, you've got dark purple, you've got like a pretty metallic burgundy, orange. I love this color, like mustard yellow, black, pretty fall colors. So yeah, I just thought that was nice. So now I have tons of wax and tons of wax seals. I'm definitely gonna have to get some more spoons and maybe like another cooker or two. Oh, and I'm sorry, it also came with this. I guess this is to grab the wax or maybe mix it or something. But this is like plastic tweezers. So that was I think that was everything. That was my Amazon crafty haul that came in the mail over the last, oh wait a minute, I lied. There's one more thing. I want to show you this because it's important. So it's not that important, but it's kind of important. So I wanted to get some pom-pom trim, and I was too lazy to go to the store, so I was like, I'm just gonna order on Amazon. I think it was like $7 or something like that. And the colors looked so pretty. Like the green was vibrant, the pink was vibrant, and then it's got like this brownish color. But this color, it's got white, but this color is supposed to be like mint green. No. What the heck is that? It's like the lightest mint green I've ever seen. So what I'm gonna do is I just got some, I think I'm going to do a Hobby Lobby haul because I hit up the Tim Holtz sale where it was like 40% off for the distressed inks. I'm going to dye this. I'm going to dye it like a mint green and make it the color that it's supposed to be. But anyway, I did like that it came in a little container, and I do like the other colors. They'll come in handy. So yeah, that's my Amazon crafty haul. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will like this video, subscribe, leave a comment. But most importantly, I hope you'll have an amazing day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.